How to check Wi-Fi data usage on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Data Usage. After click on Data Usage, scroll down and click on, you will see Wi-Fi data usage is here. If you want to check Wi-Fi data usage, so you will see and click on this icon. So you will select 24. You will select, after select you will see data usage from here. After you will change, after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can check Wi-Fi data usage on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.